Top of the hour, let's talk about this big jhatka or this big setback that is now coming in the way for former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. As political developments are now unfolding within the TMC camp, with signs of a possible mutiny now emerging within the party ranks, and sources say that several TMC MPs have now become unreachable, their phones having been switched off amid this intense speculation over the next possible move. Now, this development is coming in after two TMC parliamentarians believed to have sought time with the Vice President, while one in the Rajya Sabha MP is said to be camping in Indore, could soon fly out. Now, sources further indicate that a second TMC Rajya Sabha MP may be preparing to resign, raising serious questions about the unrest within Mamata Banerjee's party that seems to be building. Now, what is driving this apparent rebellion? Who are the key players? And could this trigger a larger political churn in Delhi? We'll get you as far as this inside scoop that is now growing of the turmoil within the TMC camp. And it seems to be now growing further. What we are now looking at as far as already with the resignation of Shukendra Shekhar Rai as the first of the parliamentarian of the TMC that has decided not just to give up his position as the MP, but also resigning from the primary membership of the party. Let's connect with Nyamika on this, because Nyamika, this is all happening while Mamata Banerjee is seated right inside Constitution Club. And one by one now there are reports suggesting that more of the TMC MPs may be doing a similar move to what Shukendra Shekhar Rai has done.
Well, yes, indeed, we have seen that how already a Rajya Sabha MP from the TMC has given his resignation. But on the other side, there are many other MPs who are also going to follow the same line as now the sources are also informing that they have also sought time from the Vice President. And this is basically the trouble which is mounting for the Trinamool Congress, as already there is a split which was there in the legislative party. But now the way in which it has also reached to the parliamentary party, specifically at this point in time when both Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee are here in the national capital. Mamata Banerjee is also attending this particular meeting of the India Bloc Party. She is sitting just beside Ms. Sonia Gandhi, and she is also expected to raise this issue which is related to the unity within the India Bloc parties, and also seeking support from the other opposition parties regarding this entire issue. They are basically making this allegation against the BJP. In fact, many other senior leaders of the India Bloc partners are also stating that this is a conspiracy which is being hashed by the BJP in the state of West Bengal, the way in which they have done in the state of Maharashtra. Similar kind of pattern is now being followed to finish the TMC in the state of West Bengal, and that is the only reason why these kinds of resignations are taking place. But how they are going to take it forward, because the major challenge is also there for the entire India Bloc, as delimitation is also one of the issues which is going to be discussed.
So this is interesting because Nyamika, the meeting is underway. Mamata Banerjee here in New Delhi, but what are the MPs now planning, Sabyasachi? What are you hearing now? Because mostly they are said that they are unreachable now. Their phones are switched off. How many are we looking at?
Well, it's a difficult time for former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. If you talk about the rebel faction, which is led by Ritoproto Banerjee. Now the rebel faction, their choice is clear that in Lok Sabha, the leader of the party should be Kakali Ghosh Dostidar. Whereas the Mamata Banerjee loyalists are also in the national capital. Several of the MPs of the Trinamool Congress from both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha have stationed themselves in the national capital. What information we are getting is that yesterday also at the residence of Kakali Ghosh Dostidar here in the national capital, some of the Trinamool Congress MPs were present. Now, if you talk about Kakali Ghosh Dostidar, they are confident that in the coming days they are going to have more than 19 signatures. See, 19 signatures is the two-third majority. So right now what I am learning from the sources within the rebel camp is that they have been successful in gathering around 14 to 15 signatures is what sources tell me from the rebel camp. Whereas the sources from the Mamata Banerjee camp tell Times Now that around 10 to 15 of the MPs are still in support of Mamata Banerjee, and hectic parleys are going on from both the camps to make sure that the MPs stay with each other. Now, at this particular time, one of the problem that the Mamata Banerjee and the leaders are facing is that several of the MPs, their phones are not reachable.
So this is interesting. This is interesting because if the rebellion within the MLA camp has been going up, which is being challenged by Mamata Banerjee, but we also talk about who could be the possible key players and if this could trigger into a larger political churn. The inside scoop that is now coming in from the growing turmoil within the MP camp as well of the Trinamool Congress. Let's listen into what Sukhendu Shekhar Roy has said. As far as his resignation letter is concerned, it is explosive.
करोड़ करोड़ रुपया लूट हुआ इसलिए मैंने मांग कर रहा हूं अभी तो मैं आम जनता हूं मैं मांग कर सकता हूं नई सरकार के पास कि जो पिछले 5 सालों में मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं बोलता हूं सिर्फ पिछले 5 साल में बंगाल के हर एक अस्पताल में जो सामान खरीदा गया जैसे कि इंजेक्शन सलाइन दवाइयाँ किससे खरीदा गया कौन कंपनी से खरीदा गया इसका टेंडर हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था कितने पैसे में खरीदा गया और इसका क्वालिटी जांच हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था इस बारे में फोरेंसिक ऑडिट हो रहा है.
Well, let's connect with Devashri Sriram, who is joining us here on the broadcast, and so is Dr. Akashdeep Muni. Good afternoon to both of you. JVC, what's happening within the TMC, and if we can actually call it a party which is actually being represented by Mamata Banerjee. She's here in Delhi, but it seems that our party leaders are not with her.
Good afternoon, Amita. I think, TMC is exploding. And as far as I'm concerned, I can tell you that this is going to be an existential crisis for TMC. I think people have lost faith on Mamata Banerjee, and the kind of incidents which we are seeing in Bengal, it's very clear that the MLAs and the MPs, the lawmakers, no more want to be associated with Abhishek Banerjee. It's not Mamata Banerjee who's the center of the problem. The center of the problem is Abhishek Banerjee. The high-handedness with which he has been conducting himself and he has conducted the party. And the anger on Abhishek Banerjee is slowly reflecting on Mamata Banerjee because Mamata Banerjee is unable to take any kind of an action against Abhishek Banerjee because he happens to be her nephew. And blood is thicker than water. And as a result of which, as long as Mamata Banerjee is going to protect Abhishek Banerjee, I don't see any chance of a compromise happening between the various factions of TMC. We have seen the MLAs elect their own leader. Leader of the opposition is not from Mamata Banerjee's camp. But again, the central theme of this everything is Abhishek Banerjee. Now, the sooner Mamata realizes that she has to get rid of, probably Abhishek Banerjee or the powers have to be stripped, then there could be a possibility of a reapproachment.
Well, he was seen accompanying her as far as, today's meeting is also concerned. And this is where it seems that Mamata Banerjee has to make a choice. Whether she will choose her nephew or whether she will choose her party. Or as the MLAs want, yes, to take up the role of a chief advisor, which under no circumstances for now, it seems that Mamata Banerjee will be agreeing to that deal. But one by one.
She will be no mood to do that.
Yes.
She will be no mood to do that. And I think, as I said, blood is thicker than water.
Yes.
And the problem is that most of the candidates who were chosen in 2026 were all candidates recommended by IPAC, and candidates who had the backing of Abhishek Banerjee. But
interestingly, JVC sir, as far as Sukhendu Shekhar Roy's resignation is concerned, it doesn't mention the leadership with Abhishek Banerjee, because now he seems to be talking about corruption. We have another breaking update coming in as far as opening remarks are concerned. Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress party president, has put out a statement to welcome the opposition bloc leaders and saying that this alliance came into existence exactly 3 years ago. And however, he said that there are several issues before us and they need to demonstrate their solidarity and unity in a decisive manner in the Lok Sabha as far as standing firmly together to defeat Modi government's malicious bills regarding delimitation. So this is something that they are now wanting to take up. Dr. Muni, what are we looking at? How badly does the opposition actually need to stay united? Because it also needs to make a choice here. Priority of staying united to take on the BJP, or priority would be their own party ideological, when it comes to their positions?
See, Amritaji, first and foremost regarding TMC, somebody who has not visited Bengal and somebody who does not know about Bengal will talk like this, that TMC is exploding. It is not TMC exploding. It is the investigating agencies which are coming after Trinamool leaders. That is why they are leaving the party. They're simple and straight. I'll give you certain examples. Why Garga is arrested? Do the people here present here, do they know about Garga? They don't know about Garga. So why Garga is arrested? He is arrested because he has made some comments 5 years ago. So and this
But what
happening
about the current leaders?
all these why
No, what
fighters,
about the current leaders? Are they
MLAs
suddenly, realization is hitting on them that the party is full of corruption,
अरे
that the
मैं
party
आपको
is
बताता
run
हूँ।
in an anarchical manner, that there is
अरे
no
कोई
law and order,
anarchical
the
man
women's
नहीं।
safety is
अमृता
compromised? जी,
ये सब बड़ी बड़ी बातें ना करें, हमें सिंपल सी चीज है, रियल ग्रास रूट रियलिटी ये है कि ना कि लोग जेल नहीं जाना चाहते, सिंपल।
तो एक एक करके अगर पार्टी लॉयलिस्ट अगर थे ममता बनर्जी के, तो वो क्यों उनको फिर छोड़ने को तैयार है? अगर पार्टी लॉयलिस्ट है तो पार्टी के साथ रहिए, अपने लीडर के साथ रहिए।
ऐसा नहीं होता। देखिए, जब 6 लोग मर गए यहाँ पे, ठीक है, मीडिया ने क्या किया? धरना दिया। लोगों ने क्या किया? धरना दिया। कुछ नहीं किया। 6 लोग टीएमसी के मर गए। कौन मरना चाहता है? अगर कल को
तो टीएमसी की लीडर जब धरना दे रही है, उनके साथ कौन आ रहा है? टीएमसी लीडर ममता बनर्जी जब खुद धरना दे रही हैं, तो उनके साथ कौन आ रहा है? जब वो पार्टी की मीटिंग बुला रही है सारे एमएलएस की, तो उनका साथ कौन दे रहा है?
जिनको डर नहीं है मरने का, वो उनके साथ है। जिनको डर है मरने का, वो छोड़ देंगे। आप कभी बंगाल
मतलब पार्टी लीडरशिप को अपने पार्टी के ऊपर इतना भरोसा ही नहीं है कि वो उनके साथ ड्यूरिंग अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम दैट दे विल स्टैंड अलोंग विद देम, दैट दे विल स्टिक विद देम। मतलब डर इतना है, डर किस बात का है? डर पार्टी लीडरशिप का है या डर ईडी का है?
6 लोग मर गए मैम, आपको पता है? 6 लोग मर गए। आपको पता है गार्गा कौन
Sir,
है?
political killings
Garga
that has
Chatterjee कौन
taken
है
place,
जानते हैं?
and this is something which is highly condemnable, not just of a single political party, but also of other political parties
क्या
as well. Political violence to
BJP
हुआ
के
है.
leaders को
JVC, a
होगा?
quick comment because I have to take another breaking update.
Amita, where was this gentleman when in 2021, when hundreds of people were killed? We condemn the killings wherever it happens.
No, he
Where
wants
were
to
you?
laugh about that
Where
now.
were you?
Post-poll violence has continued
women
even
were raped,
today.
When women were, I condemn for today. Would you condemn for 2021? Shamelessly you're laughing. Coming on the national channel. What
do
kind
you
of a
know
gentleman
about
you are, man? Stop this shameful act. What is this? I condemn the political killing happening in 2026.
No, let's talk about who's standing with Mamata Banerjee. Because
2021.
even when it comes to the opposition, does it actually have a value of its own so that they can put up a united front to take on the BJP? Because that was the very premise. But even till date, they don't even have a convener. So as the leaders of the India bloc are meeting to discuss the future of the opposition unity, there is veteran leaders like Sharad Pawar who has also delivered a clear message, saying that keep the alliance together and avoid taking rigid positions, because he seems to be speaking amid visible differences within the opposition camps and the DMK's decisions to stay away from the party meeting. Aam Aadmi Party is also boycotting. And here is Sharad Pawar expressing hope that a solution to the unity question will emerge through dialogue. So, Sabyasachi, as far as the party leaders are also concerned, they too have been raising questions as far as what the Congress party has been doing. But are these regional parties ready to keep aside their differences?
Well, it's going to be extremely difficult because we have seen earlier also all these regional parties making promises, but at the end of the day, when it comes down to the state, when it comes down to the seat equation, we have seen the parties falling out. So this time around, they would try their best to consolidate things, to make things better going ahead to the 2029 Lok Sabha polls. But on the way to that, you have the UP polls. So the equation between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party will also be extremely interesting, and also the regional parties will be aware of the fact what Congress has done to the DMK, and the DMK boycotting the India Alliance meeting. Remember, Trinamool Congress and the DMK were two important part of the India bloc, and both of them have suffered defeat. But for DMK, it was more embarrassing when the Congress decided to join hands with the TVK. So all the regional parties will be aware of the equation going into this meeting. As far as the CPIM is concerned, the CPIM was very clear that we are going to put across this matter to the right across Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, as well as leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, despite the facts that we are friends as far as Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha is concerned.
Yes.
But that does not mean that you would...
So, party
level...
equations changes as far as when the borders are crossed. Because a very different picture is put up on a national front, and as far as regional and assembly elections are concerned, the same parties which are projecting today as to be friends turned rivals when it comes to assembly elections. And amid reports suggesting that as many as 18 Congress, Trinamool Congress MPs could leave the party. That is the murmur, because it has now started with the biggest jolt of Shukhender Shekhar Roy resigning from the party. However, Saugata Roy seems to be dismissing that speculation of a major exodus, saying that the party is united. And he's also revealed that he received an offer to join the BJP, but apparently he said no, he rejected it.
ना ज़्यादा विरोधी दल एक साथ आएंगे तो उसको तो एक एडवांटेज होगा ही, शक्ति बढ़ेगा। विरोधी दल एकजुट होने से बीजेपी पर दबाव होगा, ही एडवांटेज है।
Pridita, this seems to be offer that Saugata Roy seems to be claiming that it is the BJP, at the behest of the BJP, that the party is being broken apart, that the party is being split. Now he seems to be suggesting and pointing the blame towards the BJP. BJP on the other side is saying that's your internal problem, don't take our name.
Well, absolutely. You see, this is a complete damage control that Saugata Roy is trying to do. In fact, in case when the legislative party in the Trinamool Congress was broken, we had seen several other MLAs and ex-MLAs like Kunal Ghosh, Madan Mitra, who have been making such damage control comments. But however, the front that you have been talking about, the makeshift that they have put up front, it's completely against what is happening inside the party, because already in the legislative party, when the floor of the house is proved with the numbers of about 61, we already hear from sources stating that already 14 MPs have also made a signature in the rebel fraction of the parliamentary wing of the party, which might be led by Kakuli Ghosh Dosidar and several other MPs. You see Shukhender Shekhar Roy, who has come up and spoken against the party and what corruption had done to the party, and also other MLAs and MPs have been speaking about over the years. But now the lookout is the kind of behavior or the damage control that the party is trying to do, because you see that Mamata Banerjee at one hand is still not made any comment. She is sitting strong, but with the kind of tension that the party is experiencing, we get to understand that her movement, a very early movement that was noticed from Kolkata to Delhi ahead of the India Alliance meeting made, and the meeting that she had held with several MPs and tried to speak to various leaders out there, speaks of volume about the kind of panic and tension that Mamata Banerjee and the other party leaders who are still standing strong with Mamata Banerjee facing about.
All right, that seems to be the question as far as the TMC that seems to be facing, how united it is, because as far as the MLAs are concerned, they already seems to be deserting Mamata Banerjee one by one, and it seems that the stage is also set for the parliamentarians are concerned. The first big parliamentary jolt that is coming in for Mamata Banerjee is with the resignation of Shukhender Shekhar Roy, and as far as the representation of the TMC in parliament as one of the biggest opposition parties is concerned, that is also now going to take a hit. Now, if it is happening at the behest of the BJP, because that seems to be the very angle that TMC leaders want to point the blame towards the BJP. However, BJP says do not drag us into your internal problems. But as far as the meeting that is currently underway in the national capital, we are already looking at leaders from the opposition who are putting out their opening remarks. Some parties have decided to boycott. Other parties are also very unhappy with the Congress party, however, saying we are not boycotting the meeting. The left says, but we want to put across our grievances against Rahul Gandhi and ask him exactly what would be the point of view of the Congress party in this meeting today.
We have our serious reservation. We have our serious reservations with regard to Congress party's conduct and approach. We will raise those issues in the meeting. Undoubtedly, our General Secretary also has written a letter.